Okay, folks, I know a lot of you know the difference between rotation and revolution, but if you don't, make sure you listen carefully throughout this short little video. So let's start with this picture right here. We see a picture of the Earth spinning. Is that rotation or revolution? Well, I hope you're saying it's rotation because rotation is spinning. So spinning is another word for rotation. So the Earth is rotating. It's spinning on its axis. And the time for one rotation is 24 hours. Every 24 hours, the Earth spins completely around. That's what causes day and night. The speed of rotation is 24,855 miles in 24 hours. So this is the distance that it spins, which basically, if we divide it out, it's 1,038 miles each hour. So I don't know if you've ever thought about going 1,038 miles per hour, but that's how fast the Earth is spinning. The Earth's revolution, on the other hand, is our distance around the sun. So if you're 13 years old, you've been around the sun 13 times, completely around the outside. A revolution occurs as the Earth moves around the sun. The time for one revolution is 365 1/4 days, which I hope you recognize that is a year. The speed of Earth's revolution is about 18 miles per second. So every second, the Earth moves about 18 miles in its trip around the sun. So here we have a picture of the Earth revolving around the sun. Now, of course, this isn't to scale. The sun is much, 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 much bigger than the Earth. But notice that the Earth is going around the outside. If it started here at winter solstice, 1 year later, it would get back to the original position. So each of these stops here, where it shows you the different seasons, is 1/4 of the year. And eventually we get back to here, and 1 year has been completed. All of the planets are orbiting around the sun. So that is a revolution. So the Earth, the third planet from the sun, is orbiting, but all of these orbit around the sun. It happens that the ones way out here have much longer years because their orbits are so much bigger. Every second that you sit in this classroom, or in this case in your home, the Earth's orbital motion carries you about 18 miles through space. So every second you travel about 18 miles. So let's see if you guys got it. The Earth is spinning on its axis. Is that a rotation or a revolution? Well, it's spinning. Going around, all the way around a larger body. Is that a rotation or revolution? Well, you're going all the way around, so that is 24 hours. Every 24 hours, the Earth spins, and the word for spinning is, well, I hope you said rotation. Number 4, it causes the Earth's seasons. So the Earth is tilted, and it moves around the outside of the sun. Takes a year to go all the way around, and that is 1. As mentioned, it creates a year, and that is. And the moon going around the Earth. Well, the moon is going all the way around. It doesn't say it's spinning, it's going around the outside. So the moon going around the Earth is also a. All right, so this picture here, is this showing rotation or revolution? Well, it appears to be spinning, so that appears to be a rotation. And this one, we have this object, and I hope you recognize if it's going around the Earth, this must be the moon. And if the moon is going around the outside of the Earth, it better be a revolution. So I hope that was a good refresher of rotation and revolution, and I hope you have a good day. Talk to you soon.